After the rain, I found you there, a fleeting touch, a breath of air. Your soul felt like a song I knew, but time was cruel, it let us through, then closed the door before we knew. Maybe we'll meet again in the next life, where time is kind and stars align. If the universe still hears our name, I'll find you there beyond the rain. Some loves arrive but cannot stay, like echoes lost along the way. We held the light, we touched the sky, but fate had other plans this time. Maybe we'll meet again in the next life, where soul and time don't pass us by. If the stars still burn with what we lost, I'll find you there, no matter the cost. No space too wide, no use too long. What's meant to be will still belong. If not today, if not this time, I'll search for you in another life. Maybe we'll meet again in the next life, where love can stay and fate is right. If time allows, if stars still know, I'll find you there. I won't let go.